In this video, I am unfortunately selling my entire Superbike collection. So a little bit of background before we get started with the video. If you don't know who I am, my name's Max and I work in the automotive industry. I live between the Midwest and the West Coast, and in the Midwest I do a whole bunch of truck stuff, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, cars, trucks, whatever. And then on the West Coast it's more sports cars, supercars, and bikes. So I had an instance back home that I needed to jet there for back in Indiana and be there for a pretty prolonged extended period of time. So with that, I had to sell everything. I had to liquidate fast, rapidly, and get out kind of as fast as I could within about a week. So I had 3 bikes at the time: a Ducati Monster 696, my first Monster, a Aprilia RSV4 factory, awesome bike, one of my favorites, and then my newest, nicest, most expensive bike, which was a 2017 BMW S1000RR. Thing was a blast. So I ended up first selling the BMW and Aprilia to a dealership, a small independent dealership down in San Diego. The sales rep came and bought the bike. He was super cool. Hopefully he made a proper bag on them as well, because obviously I couldn't sell them for top dollar, needing to optimize for speed rather than highest value possible. So I ended up selling it to him. He was great to work with, checked out the bikes, they checked out as they should, and I deposited that check to the bank to Chase. I'm out on the way to the bank to cash these checks on the little duck. I know I shouldn't be squinting, but oh well. Who I bank with, and then shortly after sold my Ducati to someone that lived about 15 minutes away, not far at all, and was out. Was out of the game. It was about a $25,000 payday, all said and done. It was 13 for the Beam, 8 for the Aprilia, and then I forget the exact number on the Ducati, but it ended up totaling just around 25 grand, and on that I made a few thousand net, which is pretty cool. So that is the story of liquidating when I needed to. I was at such a good position in these bikes. I knew how to look for the deals, how to find the deals, how to negotiate so well, or in such a way that even needing to fire sell everything, I could still come out profitably, which is pretty cool, and it's a great position to be in. It's amazing to have that information and that knowledge to be able to do that, not to mention ride these incredible bikes while I own them and had the opportunity to enjoy them. So that really wraps up the video. I have a whole new fleet now, which is exciting. Some trucks back home, some bikes here. No, I'm not going broke. No, the channel is not ending, but I did have to clear out my entire fleet. So hopefully if you like this video, so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment down below telling me which one was your favorite bike out of the fleet, or what your dream bike is. Actually, as a matter of fact, what your current bike is if you ride, and what your dream bike is. And of course, smash the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with future videos. And most importantly, if you're ready to learn how to ride your next bike or your dream bike at no net cost or even profitably, like I was able to do with these, then hit the link down below and check out the Motorcycle Money program.